Asparagus season is around the corner, so let's make a batch of my Alfredo Asparagus Bundles. Gather your ingredients and let's get started. Start by trimming the ends of your asparagus by snapping them off, placing them on a plate, and then drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle with a bit of salt, and then toss them around to coat them evenly. Place them aside, and then carefully unroll your piece of puff pastry onto a baking sheet with parchment paper. I have a 10-inch by 10-inch piece of puff pastry, so I'm going to cut it into 4 equal squares. Next, we're going to take our boursin and place a large amount in the center of each square and spread them out in a diagonal log. Then take your asparagus and place them diagonally right on top of the boursin. Sprinkle the top with some Parmesan cheese and then make a quick egg wash. To roll up the bundles, stretch out the 2 exposed corners of the dough, taking one side and wrapping it over the asparagus to lock in the ingredients. Egg wash the top, and then take the other corner, taking it all the way around to the other side and then pinching it closed. Brush more egg wash on top, and then repeat this process for all of the bundles. Sprinkle the tops with everything seasoning and some mozzarella cheese, and you're ready to place in your preheated oven. These asparagus bundles make an amazing side or an appetizer. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.